You are graduated, right? Why are you so sad? You are finishing at last after 2 weeks, maybe, yeah? That's why be so positive.
We don't know what to do.
I will show you what to do. Believe me. So guys, my name is Meyrambek Сейтұлы. I have been teaching English for 16 years. And after graduating my university, like you, young teachers, I tried different kind of words. Like in Astana, you worked, right?
I'm a former.
He had worked in Astana for many years, and I also tried. I wanted more interesting job and more money, but I want a grant in university, and I have to back to school. And I'm not jealous. I'm not apologize about my decision. Why? Because I love teaching. I like teaching, and I also advise you. You have chosen the correct way. You have chosen the right profession, and be teachers. Never go in other spheres. Okay? Now, guys, today's my topic is how to develop the speaking and writing skills at school. So, guys, who has a diploma work which are connected with speaking and writing? Do you have any?
Just writing.
Writing, good job. Also, I had a diploma work with writing, creative development writing. And also, who has a topic on speaking? Nobody. Why? It's good. It's connected, yeah? Okay, partially connected. Good job. So, as a practice teacher at school, and you were also at school, did you like your practice?
No.
Why? What was it difficult? Yes, why?
Why? Because I don't like children.
Oh my God!
I don't know why.
It's your opinion. Don't judge.
Yeah.
It's your opinion.
I choose being a teacher for random, and we with my friend we just choose this professions, like we're in supermarket, you do this, okay, and like that, and I don't like that.
Yes, maybe in the future we'll like it, because my group mates, they choose another profession, like in Astana, in different space, touristic like this. But now, after 15 years, all of my group mates became teachers. They are young teachers. They are just started. They don't know what is summative assessment. They don't know how to assess, how behave themselves like a teacher with modern students. I have experience. After graduating, I have also challenges working with students, with school pupils. Yes. Okay. Which grades did you teach at school?
10, 11.
10, 11, great. You? Who has primary schools? Primary. Fifth grade is also, yeah? Okay, now first my task is, activity is, pass the class. Okay, come on guys, 5 girls. This means woman. Come on guys.
Дальше меня копить что-то.
Easy for fifth grade students. Come on, guys. Go.
Копить алмағандар келіңіздер, сізге жерге копить.
So, very good, right, girls?
Я шок
Жоқ, come on.
Я шок.
Өзі ұялша ұрпақтан десіңдер ма?
Это на несколько минут только.
So, guys,
Все, машина
stay
грузит.
here. Now, put your mobile phone. Round circle that holds blood waves. What? So, pass the clap. Okay, we're going to play a game with words. How to develop students' vocabulary. The first word, okay, I know 5 words. I know 5 words. Item. You choose, for example, animal, color, what else? Item. According to the topic. Bizim sonra color diye takip. Color diyoruz. Blue.
Yellow, red,
Black.
The last one should do not touch your hand. Okay? You are winner. Like this. If you touch your hand, you are loser. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Let's write. Five. Item.
Animal. Rabbit.
Dog.
elephant,
Cat.
Cat. Elephant.
Lion. You're a loser. Like this game, you will continue this like this, yeah? We have a lot of experience, and these games it is checking their new words. How do they remember these words or not? The criteria is learn the words and check. Is it good?
yes,
Yes, you can use it, that's good. Thank you guys. The second one, first impression and repetition. Where is mine? Okay guys. This is right one. Leila, come on. So, first impression, repetition and personalizing. So, repeat. What is this? Gym, right? Swimming pool. Canteen, right? Ace is connected to school. Schoolyard. Okay. Labo. Lab, yes. Okay. Now, do you remember? So, what is this? Good.
Canteen. Library.
Good.
Schoolyard. Computer class.
Okay, good job.
Lab.
Lab.
Canteen.
Okay, good. Now, let's check. What else?
Swimming pool.
Yes, correct.
Swimming pool.
Yes, good job. Next.
Canteen.
Lots of books.
Library.
Lots of books.
Library.
Yeah, great.
Schoolyard. And
Lab.
lab.
Lab. Okay, good.
Lab. And canteen.
Yes, correct. Now we're repetition word and personalizing. You have to make sentence using this. Your sentence should connect with this.
Pictures.
Yeah.
In my free time, I like going to swimming pool and gym.
Gym, correct. Good job. Yes. Do you understand? This is good job. Yeah. Thank you. You can do simple, very simple, but it helps develop students' vocabulary, speaking skills. It doesn't take much time, no challenging, easy, and adapted. Right? Next. True, two false, two truths, one false. For example, after reading the text, you supply them with two truths and one false. For example, I have 3 children. I have been to India, and I lost my mobile phone. Fine, 2 truths, 1 false.
One false, he lost his mobile phone.
He has never been to India.
Once more, I have 3 children. I have been to India. I lost my mobile phone.
Two truths and one false.
Yeah, 2 truths.
You lost your phone. It's true.
True.
And you. I think you don't have 3 children.
Okay.
And the one false, it's you haven't been in India.
Okay. Two truths about me. I have 3 children. I have been to India. LMI. What is LMI? Changing program. Yes, I have studied in India for short-term program 2 months, and it was a great experience. Okay. Yes, I have.
You don't speak like Indian.
LMI. Thank you very much.
Oh, no, not again.
And one tools I don't have. I have not lost my phone. It is here, right? Never. Understand? 2 sentences. You have to make these sentences according to the text, maybe according to the grammar rules, like this. Next, жаңа жасадым әдемі. Ошибка болды. Сондай кезде one false. Understand? Okay. Next. The storyboard. I need. Show me the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. Quickly, teach this woman. Teach Nagita. Start confidence. Would you like to also?
Why? I'm a teacher.
Easy.
We have so many students.
Here, start. Tüm yolları her cinsinin bir sürü İkinci can çıkarmışsın. Все, интегрирую. Okay, storyboard again. Here should work your creative thinking. Okay, first, according to the picture, you should start the sentence and then continue according to her story.
Today, me and my friends are
going
to a holiday in abroad.
This kind of pictures, students write the story, maybe the information about the facts. I don't know. It depends on you. And write. It helps you to check students what? Memorization. What else?
Creativity.
Creativity, yes, you can add some information yourself. Imagination. Attention, right? Some students write only what you said. No imagination, yes? Okay, understand? Мынау сияқты мәтін беріледі, 2 рет оқисыз, картинка беріп қоясыз, түртіп алу жолына. Өздері ойындағы шығармасын. That's all I want to share. All these methods, activities I have been using, I will use to work my teaching process.
Before I start,
Any questions, guys?
I would like, okay, gentlemen, can you help me to make the table?